Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a MoneyGram account step by step. First, open your browser or download the MoneyGram app from the Play Store or App Store. Once it's installed, open it and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked to enter your first and last name exactly as shown on your ID, then add your email address and create a secure password. Next, choose your country of residence and tap Continue. MoneyGram will ask for your phone number to verify your identity. Enter it, and you'll receive a code via SMS. Type that code in to confirm your number. Now, you'll need to provide your address details, including your city, postal code, and state. This information ensures your transfers follow local regulations. After that, agree to MoneyGram's terms and privacy policy, then tap Create Account. If you plan to send or receive larger amounts, MoneyGram might ask you to upload a valid ID, like a passport or driver's license, for extra verification. Once that's done, your account is officially active. You can now log in, set your preferred payment method, and start sending or receiving money right away. That's how you create a MoneyGram account quickly and securely from your phone or computer. Subscribe the channel for more videos.